Today, I want to talk about how to not make yourself the hero of your story when you're marketing your business, and how it's important to really focus all your marketing on your clients and their needs, and how this can help to double your revenue. Hi, I'm Jodianne Rowe, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them double their online leads. If you're struggling to get found online, don't hesitate. www.eventcertificate.com and let's talk. So here's one of the biggest problems that I find sometimes when people are struggling with marketing and their messaging is not correct. Often, when I look at their copy or their marketing on social media, a lot of it is making them the hero of the story. Now, you might be thinking, what's wrong with that, Jody? It's my business. Well, here's the thing. Yes, it's your business. Yes, you want to impress clients, but it's important to make the clients the center of the story because your services and everything you offer is geared towards those clients. So why would you not make sure that they understand everything that you're providing for them and the benefits of that? So I'm going to share 3 tips on how you can do this. So tip number 1 is that you want to focus your services to look more on benefits rather than features. So what do I mean by that? Well, when you have your packages outlined on your website, you might list everything that's included. Maybe they get a photographer, they get a limo, they get a bridal suite. There are so many things included in your packages. And that's great. But what is the benefit of that for a client? So if I'm a potential client and I'm reading your website, what are the benefits for that to me? You need to articulate that. Maybe the benefit is that by providing a bridal suite, I don't have to book one. And if I don't have to book one, you know what that means? I've just saved money. I now have a space for my bridal party. It's a dedicated space that's closer to the venue. There's a ton of benefits. You need to articulate that. Whether it's on your website, when you're speaking to a client, don't just focus on the features because the benefits helps to put all the focus on the client and make them the hero. What are they getting out of this situation? Now, number 2 is your About Me pages. So your About Me pages should be talking about your company, right? It's all about me. That's what it is. But you still need to be tying in how that relates to your clients. So yes, it's about you. It's about your company. We all get that. But how does this actually benefit your client? So it's great that you are a certified event planner, you're a certified wedding planner, you went to school for 5 years, right? You interned under a master wedding planner. That's amazing. What does that benefit to the actual client? What does that mean? Well, it means that you are equipped with all the skills needed to plan their event. It means that you know exactly what you're doing. So they're going to have less oopsie moments, so to speak, right? So those are the things you need to tie in when you're talking about yourself. You have a degree. That's amazing. But what does that mean for your client? It means that you're bringing 15 years of experience doing it to their event so they don't have to worry. You've been here before. That needs to be clearly articulated. And this is how you flip the script and make them the hero of the story rather than yourself. Now, the other piece, number 3, is all your social media copies and posts. Okay, social media is great. You want to post on social media about your business and show how great you are and what you're doing. That's amazing. But you also need to spend some time highlighting the benefits of working with you, the benefits that your past clients receive, the benefits of your packages, right? You really need to bring that home. And when you're using social media, try to think about the type of content that your clients are searching for, not what you want to post, what you think they should know, or what you think is best. What do they want to see? Because maybe you know that personally, Pinterest is horrible and it's not the place that your bride should go. But your brides to be, before they meet you, they're all on Pinterest. So how can you fix that problem? Well, your content then needs to be posting about Pinterest in the manner that they're using it right now. Then once they engage with you, you can take the opportunity to change the narrative and show them how a program that you use outside of Pinterest might be better if they're working with you, right? But in every instance, you need to be making sure that they're the hero of the story and all your content is focused on them, the benefits to them, and what they're going to get at the end of it when they actually start working with you. So I want you to look at all those tips, take them and look at your business, look at your social media, your website, your packages, your brochures, all your marketing materials, and see if they're actually accomplishing this. If not, it's time to do some rewrite. Now, of course, I'm going to say it. If you've not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to go deeper, be sure to join the EC Growth Club, where I release a new piece of content every month behind the scenes so you can see something extra if you need it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.